Ssaabaminisita wa Uganda Nabbanja alaze obutali bumativu olw'abakugu bayinginiya okuva mu kitongole kya KCCA kw'ossa aba minisitule evunaanyizibwa ku nguudo abakolera awamu ne kampuni ey'Abachina yaweebwa omulimu gw'okuzimba enguudo ez'enjawulo mu Kampala emanyiddwa nga China Railway 18 olw'okukola emirimu mu ngeri eyagaddibengalye. Nabbanja
that we can make the president inspect a road and promise people that road will service our NAM conference up to now. And yet you have the money. Isn't that road that is funded by ADB? Don't we have the money? What is the problem? If the contractor is the problem, we look for a way of removing him from the contract. I'm being sincere to you, we cannot tolerate people who are not able. So let me hear from you, Madam Edie, the minister.
Nabbanja olwaleero abitaddemu engatto okulambula enguudo ez'enjawulo ezikolebwa mu Kampala era ng'atuuseeko ne Nakawa Kinnawattaka yasanze emirimu nga tegitambula kyokka n'agamba nti bayinginiya bandibadde bakola omulimu tebakoze bulungi ekiviiriddeko kampuni okukola mu ngeri eyagaddibengalye.
Cannot be on a snail speed. And so we want that contractor to tell us why he's moving at that pace. Then the chamber and ring road, there is an old man where we went and promised to break the perimeter fence. You made me pass quickly. I said, this Kanokakodio. You did not make me stop there. I wanted to know how far we have gone.
No, she was not around
with the compensation. The engineer was here.
The engineer was here, but the ED was not there.
The road is so narrow, they have tarmacked. Very narrow. People will die there.
Embeera eno waliriza Nabbanja okulagira abakugu abalala okuva mu minisitule evunaanyizibwa ku ntambula n'enguudo okwegatta ku mulimu guno okulaba nga gutambula mu ngeri eya sipiidi.
On the perimeter fence. The old man said he wants to make his perimeter fence, give him the money.
Yes.
We agreed in a meeting here that you give him the money and he breaks the perimeter fence and he works on it. Now you have created a very narrow cast and in a blind corner. I want to know why this has not been done. Now, there is a fence. Is it Avis? Is it Avis? Yes, there is a fence.
In Chebando.
Chebando.
It's called
Avis. That fence was supposed to go in at least 2 meters. You have tarmacked the road, the fence is still there. We expect accidents there. What went wrong? What happened? I demand an answer.
Kyokka bayinginiya bano balabiddwako nga beewozaako mu maaso ga Nabbanja ne baminisita abalala ababaddeho nga bagamba nti Nabbanja ebintu endaba gy'abirabamu bo ng'abakugu si gye babirabamu n'olwekyo ateekeddwa okubawa obudde okukola omulimu gwabwe okusinziira ku ebyo bye baasoma.
The contract was given in April 2023. And but we had a problem of designs that we had to...
Oh, that one we solved.
Yes.
I remember I helped you to solve that.
Yes. Which means that we started late and then we have kept getting new designs. For example, now they have changed the design that we have a rigid pavement because that place is in lowland and there's a lot of water. So we are having a section where we're preparing for a trial on the 7th Street.
Let me go to the specifics of the issues at hand. I will start with the Ssaabaminisita Road. The contractor we have for Ssaabaminisita Road and Salama is the same contractor we have for the roads in industrial area. In my experience, this contractor is overwhelmed. He was given, I think, more work than he was able to handle. But over the last couple of months from the time when you came in to support us, we have achieved quite some progress significantly. relatively, though we don't want to be where we are. Specifically for Salama, in the recent recovery program which is submitted, he has promised that by end of June, he will have given us 3 kilometers of paved roads. That's from the side of Munyonyo, already sealed with asphalt. And we are focused on pushing to ensure that that target is achieved in the next 3 months.
I request the engineer to come in and talk about the issue of Salama Road, the delays we've had there, because when the Prime Minister was coming to supervise, we had to put it on the agenda because it is one of the roads which are an ache in whatever we are doing. And the contractor, the new timelines they gave us, even the one on Apollo Kagwa Road, we need you to re-echo the new timelines for completing these works so that by the time we leave this meeting, we know those are the timelines we are working with. Please, engineer, come forward.
Kigambibwa nti Ministry evunaanyizibwa ku by'ensimbi n'enguudo kampuni ya China leero 18 yagiwadde ensimbi zonna zeeteekeddwa okukozesa omulimu gw'okuzimba enguudo mu Kampala kyokka kya nnaku nti tekola. Nabbanja abachina bano abawadde essaleesale wa mwaka guno okubanga bamaliriza enguudo zonna mu Kampala era ng'anokoddeyo oluguudo olwa Salama n'oluguudo olwa Apollo Kagwa. Kibalizi John.